Hi everyone, and welcome to today's digest. Today, we will be discussing a particular case about agrarian reform. This is the case of Francisco Estolas versus Adolfo Mabalot, with GR number 133706, decided on May 7, 2002. Adolfo Mabalot was awarded with an agricultural land by virtue of PD 27. The said land, located in Barangay Samon, Santa Maria, Pangasinan, was a subject of a certificate of land transfer. Due to the respondent's need to supply his medical treatment, he passed the land through a verbal mortgage, which amounted to 5,800 pesos and rice worth 200 pesos to Francisco Estolas, the petitioner. On the contrary, the petitioner contended the land transfer as sale. Later on, a survey authorized by DAR Santa Maria led to the issuance of a transfer certificate of title in favor of Estolas. Then a complaint was filed by the respondent against the petitioner to redeem the land, however, to no avail. The DAR Regional Office issued an order and found that there was an abandonment on the part of the respondent. However, the DAR Central Office reversed the decision of DAR Regional Office and ordered to return to the respondent the subject land. An appeal was raised by Estolas, but the Court of Appeals decided in favor of Mabalot and ruled that the certificate of land transfer issued to the petitioner is void. Moreover, it can't be said that there was an abandonment on the part of the respondent because the reason why Mabalot failed to recover the land was due to high redemption price set by Estolas, the petitioner. The issue of the case is whether or not the transfer of the subject land is valid. The answer is no. The transfer of the subject land, having been passed to the third person through verbal mortgage or sale, is invalid. Presidential Decree 27 states that title to land acquired pursuant to the mandate of the Land Reform Program shall not be transferable except by hereditary succession to the heirs of the grantee or other modes authorized by the government. The Supreme Court decided in favor of the respondent. Hence, the transfer to the subject land by Mr. Mabalot to Mr. Estolas was void. The award of agricultural land by virtue of PD 27 is based on the premise that farmers must be given opportunities to achieve a dignified existence and to make them more independent, self-reliant, and responsible citizens. To protect that interest, the law provides that the transfer of title shall only be made if such would constitute either transfer to the awardee's heirs or to the government. This would ensure that these farmers will not be deceived or enticed to sell their property in consideration of urgent financial needs. Such provision of the law accorded the farmers or grantees the protection they need from abusive lenders or creditors.